Hello and welcome to my channel, your one-stop place to learn English in a simple, smart, and practical way. If you're just starting your English learning journey or want to refresh the basics, this video is for you. We'll go through all the essential topics: grammar, tenses, sentence structure, common mistakes, and even daily speaking phrases. By the end of this video, you'll understand English better, speak more confidently, and make fewer mistakes. So, grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's make English fun and easy together. Ready? Let's begin. Chapter 1. Parts of Speech. Every sentence in English is built using 8 parts of speech. Think of them as the building blocks of language. Let's go through them one by one. Noun. A name of a person, place, or thing. Example: Ria loves pizza. Ria and pizza are nouns. Pronoun replaces a noun. Example: she loves pizza. Verb shows action or state. Example: she eats pizza. Adjective describes a noun. Example: she eats delicious pizza. Adverb describes a verb. Example: she eats quickly. Preposition shows relationship between words. Example: the pizza is on the table. Conjunction joins words or phrases. Example: she likes pizza and burgers. Interjection expresses emotion. Example: wow, that pizza smells great. Now, here's a quick challenge for you. Can you make a sentence using at least 4 parts of speech? Type it in the comments below. I'll check your answers. Chapter 2. Sentence structure. Every clear English sentence follows this simple pattern: subject plus verb plus object. Example: I play football. Subject: I. Verb: play. Object: football. You can make your sentences richer by adding adjectives or adverbs. Example: she reads interesting books in the library every evening. Tip: always remember, in English, the verb usually comes right after the subject. That's a golden rule of English sentence structure. Chapter 3. Tenses Overview. Now, let's talk about tenses, one of the most important parts of English grammar. Tenses tell us when an action happens, in the past, present, or future. There are 12 tenses in English, but don't worry, I'll make them super simple. Let's start with the present tense. I play football. Simple present. I am playing football. Present continuous. I have played football. Present perfect. I have been playing football. Present perfect continuous. Now, the past tense. I played football. I was playing football. I had played football. I had been playing football. And finally, the future tense. I will play football. I will be playing football. I will have played football. I will have been playing football. Quick tip: use am, is, are for actions happening now. Use was, were for the past. Use will for the future. Mini quiz, fill in the blank. She dinner right now. The correct answer is she is eating dinner. Great job. Chapter 4. Verbs. Verbs are the action words of English. They give life to your sentences. Every sentence needs a verb. Examples: run, eat, read, sleep, think, write. Helping verbs: am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, will, shall. Examples: she is reading. They have finished their homework. Tip: always use the right verb form. Go, went, gone. Eat, ate, eaten. Chapter 5. Noun types. Nouns come in different types. Let's learn them quickly. Proper noun, specific names. Example: India, John, Google. Common noun, general names. Example: city, boy, company. Collective noun, group names. Example: team, class, bunch. Abstract noun, ideas. Example: love, honesty, fear. Material noun, substances. Example: water, gold, wood. Which one is abstract, dog or happiness? The answer is happiness. Chapter 6. Adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe nouns. Adverbs describe verbs. Examples. Adjective, she is beautiful. Adverb, she sings beautifully. Tip, add lie to many adjectives to form adverbs. Quick, quickly. Slow, slowly. Chapter 7. Prepositions. Prepositions tell us where, when, or how something happens. Common prepositions are in, on, at, to, for, by, with, under, between. Examples. The book is on the table. She lives in India. I'll meet you at 6 o'clock. Trick. In. Closed space, in a car, in a room. On. Surface, on the table. At. Point, at home, at school. Chapter 8. Sentence types. There are 4 types of sentences in English. Declarative, gives information. I like coffee. Interrogative, asks a question. Do you like coffee? Imperative, gives command. Please make coffee. Exclamatory, shows emotion. What a tasty coffee. Tip. Always begin with the capital letter and end with the right punctuation. Full stop, question mark, or exclamation point. Chapter 9. Common mistake. Let's fix some common English mistakes that even good learners make. He does his work. He does his work. I didn't went there. I didn't go there. She is very best. She is the best. Tip. Use do, does, did correctly, and never use double negatives. I don't know nothing. I don't know anything. Chapter 10. Daily English phrases. Now, let's make English practical. Here are some phrases you can use every day. Could you please help me? I really appreciate it. I'm just looking. Thank you. That's interesting. Let's catch up soon. Challenge. Use 3 of these sentences in real life today. It's the best way to make English a habit. Congratulations, you've just completed your English Grammar for Beginners course. Now you know how to use nouns, verbs, tenses, prepositions, and even speak naturally using daily phrases. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm learning English, and don't forget to watch our next video. Daily English Practice Level 2 to keep improving every day. Helping you learn English, one video at a time. See you soon.